Hey, my name is Paul. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about Radiant19-1/2x3-1 divided by 2W2H for Garland part number 4602913. Radiant19-1/2x3-1 divided by 2W2H for Garland part number 4602913 is a replacement part for Garland ovens. It is a radiant heat element that measures 19.5 inches long by 3.5 inches wide and has two mounting holes. This part is used to provide heat to the oven cavity and is typically located on the top or bottom of the oven. It is made of stainless steel and can be used in both gas and electric ovens. The Garland part number 4602913 radiant heat element is an OEM original equipment manufacturer part that is designed to meet the exact specifications of Garland ovens. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement heating element for Garland ovens. It is used to replace a faulty or damaged heating element and can help to fix symptoms such as an oven not heating up properly, uneven heat distribution, or an oven not reaching the desired temperature. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by turning off the power to the Garland range. 2. Remove the existing Radiant19-1/2x3-1 divided by 2W2H from the range. 3. Clean the area where the new Radiant19-1/2x3-1 divided by 2W2H will be installed with a damp cloth to remove any debris or grease. 4. Place the new Radiant19-1/2x3-1 divided by 2W2H into position on the range and secure it with screws provided in the package. 5. Reconnect any wiring that was disconnected when removing the old Radiant19-1/2x3-1 divided by 2W2H and make sure all connections are secure and tight. You can buy this part from www.PartsFPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsFPS.com.
Visit www.PartsFPS to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.